Well, hello there, and thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here to take you to Rio Linda Lodge, number 786, right here in Rio Linda, California. I hope they own this whole building. They just might. We're going to take you through here and take a look around. Maybe you'll see some things you just might want to improve on your own lodge. Maybe some things that you think, we could definitely use that. A couple things real quick. If you want to join this channel, you can join this channel for a whole $3. For $3, what do you get? Well, you get access to these videos early. Great example. It's April. This will get posted in 2 days. I'm not actually going to put this online for schedule until end of next month. So you get access to these videos immediately as soon as I post them up. That's how I treat my main subscribers and super supporters. But anyway, come along with this, because you just entered the Coolest Life Masonic Edition. So we are inside. This is the stairway to heaven. So of course there's no elevator here, so they got a track here. We find that in a lot of lodges. Nice and wide though, so I'm happy about that. And this is their social area here. I'll take you into so you can see this room here. This is their dining room that they have. A little bit of light, kind of triangular shape there, isn't it? But it works. I like it. Nice area here. Place to, there's a kitchen over that direction. It definitely works. We got a door knocker / peephole. Don't see many of these, I will tell you that. Normally you've got one or the other, or you've got two sitting here side by side. Not a door knocker and a peephole. I don't think I've ever seen one like this. So that's a door knocker plus a peephole for them to look out at you. Wow, that's neat. Never seen that. That's cool. Love seeing things I've never seen before. So here we got unusual here. I see the blue, but it's not a baby blue. California seems like I see a lot more baby blue. This actually matches the frame around their pictures. And normally these are going to be some Grand Line officers or such, or other groups. There's his chairs for the senior warden. A nice setting mall type of gavel. Actually, it's a true Mason's gavel with this point on the end of it. I like it. Oh, something a little interesting there. Nice, got coins on the side. Some of their past members here. They do have an Eastern Star that meets here. That one there is attached to the floor, and take a look at that one there. They actually didn't build this to the steps. They built the steps to the box. So this is actually a full box. Yeah, this is a full box with steps built around it. So they cut a hole out of there. So this is the same size as that one. It's different. You know, a couple other lodges we saw where they actually took a box like this and they actually cut the box this way, so it would look the same. Harry Truman. We saw his lodge. Check it out. Check out that video. Harry Truman. Here he is, Truman Lodge in Kansas City. We've got a nice ship here. Ships. We see a lot of ships that are up there. That one there is right there to the side. California lodges, a lot of them have ships. This is their past masters from this lodge. 2 rows of seating. And a piano has where most pianos are. They're over here in the corner. Got a point within a circle with a Bible over top of it. This is the Eastern Star covered here that they have. It's a big Eastern Star logo is what this is. I see a lot of those. Furniture's not as nice as most lodges I see. I do like the rising sun there above the G. It's a nice touch. Oh, I like this too. This is their this is going to be their charter. Is going to be inside of this. In fact, maybe while I'm here by myself, okay, I was going to kind of open up and look at it. I was not going to pull it out of there. I'm just saying. I was going to take a look, but that's going to be their charter. So in case they decide to have a meeting outside, they can take it. Because before they can have a meeting, all Gavel lodges must have a charter displayed. That's a perfect ashlar, and that's a rough ashlar there. Works for Master's hat. Nice older top hat, definitely got some age on it. I may even pass that one down. He's got a straight up gavel. Looks like this actually, you can remove it. Wisdom there. What we got down here? Picture there. He has something. Here's where the secretary sits, or wired for sound. Love that. And that's actually a carpet, is what that is. Piece of textile. This is past Masters of Polaris Lodge 730, and they merged with this lodge that we're in now. And they've got a bunch of Hiram Awards. That's what they have there. So we've got the junior wardens. You can see his is standing. We might want to. I won't tell them I did this, but these are backwards. You see that? That goes with this one. And this one should go over here. Don't tell them I did this. See, that's going to go over there. Okay. Now we're back where we should be. Kind of notice those things. Their stewards are going to sit out here. So you get their steward seating with their cornucopia. These are still, they got white up to here, which is not much, and the rest of it is brown. And let's take a look at the altar. Altar's a little skinny. Don't see many of these. I like it. Don't get me wrong. I have all their jewels here because when they open a lodge here in California, of course, the master will grab these and he will actually hand out their jewels as the officers come by to receive them. Oh, nice. Always try to fix something if I can. I do like it though. It's about a standard width, but and it's a little tall. A little tall. They got kneeling pads at both sides. Let's see what kind of a Bible they have in here. Maybe just a standard Bible. Maybe we'll find a year on it. 1958 was presented. Rio Linda Lodge. Let's see what we got in here. This is a straight up King James version of a Bible is what it is. Let's see, let's start with Genesis. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. And the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep, and the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the water. How about that? And God said, let there be light. There you go. Sometimes some things are worth memorizing. That's one of them. Good looking lodge. So if you're ever up in north of Sacramento, come check out Rio Linda Lodge here in Rio Linda, California. Sure they'll welcome you like they did me. Actually, they welcomed me really nice. Their secretary, I think, is here, and so is the worshipful masters here. Gave me the tour. We kind of sat down and chewed the Masonic fat, if you will, just a little bit. But it was I really enjoyed the brotherhood and the camaraderie that they showed me. Oh, look, I got my church hat on. But I'm sure they'll welcome you and show you around lodge and let you sit in lodge with them. But I'm going to let you go. Be sure to like, subscribe, and I need to get back here living the coolest life, Masonic edition.